Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by preparing your character and resources before you travel to C2. Reach at least level 500 before attempting C2 challenges. Equip a ship with 2,000 durability and at least 5 crew members to handle encounters. Carry 0,000 in cash and 1 key item called Sea Beast Key for entry and rewards. Stock up on healing potions and stamina elixirs to survive multi-wave fights. Ensure your fruit or sword build is optimized for group or solo combat. Sail to C2 coordinates on the map and dock at the main island. Follow the shoreline markers and avoid high-level roaming NPCs while approaching. Use the Sea Beast Key at the altar to open the gated path to the inner arena. Form a party of 3 to 6 players to increase success chance and split aggro during boss phases. Assign roles for tank, damage, and healer before you enter the arena for better coordination. When the arena opens, focus boss adds first, then switch to the main C2 boss target quickly. Keep movement predictable and watch for wide area attacks that remove 25% health instantly. Maintain at least 1 healer and use 4 healing potions per player across the encounter to stay alive. Interrupt special boss casts and kite when stunned to avoid instant death mechanics. After victory, loot the boss chest to receive the F reward and additional currency and reputation points automatically.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.